So I'm talking about going down, nigga. It's the legendary Mr. DC, pulling up a whole pint, bitch, a PT. I'm flying, I'm high as a bitch, I'm ET. You should do like everybody else does and leave me. Believe me, I fiend for the pain, it's easy. You gon' have to try to do more than leave me. Stab me, shoot me, or just don't feed me. It hurt more when my bitch moved to Seedly. And now you gon' need a telescope to see me. When I die, they gon' run and buy my CD. Best believe I'm gon' charge you hoes, it ain't free. I'ma be in the back of my funeral blazing weed, you feel me? Bitch, cause I'm steadily pulling up constantly. I be smoking, yep, rolling weed up, I got to get it. Nope, no, I ain't gon' split it down the middle, nigga. No, I ain't kidding, niggas. Yeah, they better listen, I ain't tripping. Smith on him, yup, talking about my Wesson. Yeah, I got another suggestion in this game, I'm steady pressing. They call me a lyrical weapon, ho, I might do ya. Said like Freddy Krueger, bitch, cause I packed that Ruger, bitch, and I put it through you, do you, when I pull a motherfucking move. Matter of fact, that's a maneuver, niggas know I be grooving, gripping up on that grain, ho. Cock that thing, bitch, and let that thing go. Out the hose, the hoe like a toaster. Put your face on a poster, ho, cause this game's over. Niggas know I ain't sober. Hiding the bitch and I'm gone, I'm in the zone, nigga, I'm off of Highway 6. Hitting licks, flipping bricks, and they talking shit, they better watch it. Bitch ass nigga always gonna try to switch up the topic. Now nigga not drop it. Foes they be chopping, hoes they be watching. Nigga I be cocking back my 40, I be topping. Sipping syrup, sipping smoking weed, ain't no stopping.